Introduction Overview. Welcome to New Bike Hub 09. Today, we are presenting the all-new 2026 Yamaha XT600, a legendary enduro bike reborn for the modern era. This motorcycle perfectly combines classic heritage with modern performance, designed for riders who seek adventure, style, and power. With its sleek design, aggressive stance, and polished metallic finishes, the XT600 instantly commands attention wherever it goes. 2. Handlebar details. The handlebar of the XT600 is designed for precision and comfort. It provides perfect control for both city rides and off-road adventures. The grips are ergonomic, giving a firm hold, while the placement ensures minimal strain on long journeys. Every switch and lever is intuitively placed for effortless operation, blending functionality with modern aesthetics. 3. Tires or wheels. The XT600 comes equipped with rugged yet stylish tires, built to provide maximum grip and stability on any terrain. The durable wheels are designed to absorb shocks while maintaining smooth handling. Every detail of the tires, from tread design to material quality, reflects Yamaha's commitment to performance and safety. 4. Frame or body. The frame of the XT600 is both lightweight and strong, offering perfect balance and agility. Its aerodynamic bodywork is sleek, with every curve designed to enhance performance and style. The fuel tank is muscular and polished, reflecting sunlight beautifully, while the seat is crafted for comfort during long rides. Overall, the frame and bodywork combine strength, elegance, and a commanding presence. 5. Lights or accents. The XT600 features modern LED headlights and accent lights that enhance visibility and add a premium touch. The headlights shine brightly under sunlight, while the subtle LED accents highlight the bike's aggressive design. Reflections on the metallic surfaces make the bike visually striking from every angle. 6. Engine performance. Underneath the stunning exterior lies a powerful engine engineered for thrill and reliability. The XT600 delivers smooth, responsive performance, giving you confidence on every ride. The suspension is finely tuned to absorb shocks effortlessly, while the lightweight frame and precision engineering ensure stability, agility, and unmatched control. 7. Closing or call to action. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 is more than just a motorcycle. It is a symbol of freedom, adventure, and precision engineering. Its legendary design, combined with modern performance, ensures every ride is unforgettable. Experience the XT600 today at New Bike Hub 09 and discover the perfect harmony of heritage, style, and power.